fear of investing. I'm going to be showing you how I invest my money. If you are starting to invest, that's one of the apps that you will need. Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Leila. I'm a nurse living in Germany and I work in 1-to-1 intensive Pflege. Now on this YouTube channel, I do share about finances and also sometimes I do vlogs. For this video, I'm going to be sharing about finances. And the title of this video is going to be, I hit my 6,000 investment goals. Now, why am I sharing this? Is because I know a lot of you guys do not know yet how to invest your money here in Germany. A lot of you guys have also fear of investing, thinking that you will lose your money. I am going to be showing you how I invest my money and how it's able to give me returns. I'm also going to be showing you guys one of the ETFs that I've been investing in for the longest time that has been able to give me more returns. Maybe you guys can start from that. So let's get into the video. Now, as usual, I do not really want to make this video so long, so I'm going to set a timer of 10 minutes. So you guys are just going to give me 10 minutes of your time, and I hope I do not really make mistakes because I'm not going to be editing this video. So let's make the timer. The 10 minutes are running. Now I'm going to be starting with showing you which app I use to invest because I think that's where we should start from. That's where most of you guys have like zero Ahnung or zero idea, and I will show you. Now, when I was starting to invest, or when I got the idea to invest, I contacted my bank, and I am banking in Sparkasse because I'm living here in Hessen, so it's one of the common banks that we have. So I bank with Sparkasse, like the bank is called Sparkasse, and I'm going to show you on my phone. You have to have an online banking if you want to start to invest. Now, this is Sparkasse. This is the app. Okay, it's Sparkasse. There you can manage your money on your phone or on your laptop or on your iPad, whatever you use or whatever you've put the app on, like which digital tablet you've used to put the app on. You can manage your own money. Even when you are outside Germany, you can see how much money you're remaining with, how much money is given out when you are spending, okay? So if you are starting to invest, that's one of the apps that you will need. You need an online banking, and this one you get it at the bank. You go to the bank and you tell them ich brauche online banking, and they will help you out, okay? I would say you should always use that extra person to help you at the bank, because if you are a beginner or if you're new here in Germany, it can be difficult because everything is in German. You cannot understand well. But if you are there at the bank and they help you to fill in the formulas and they just give you the app now on your phone, it's easier. Now, if you have this online banking app, the Sparkasse app, they will also give you a push turn app. I'm going to be showing it to you too. Okay, this is a push turn. This allows you to transfer money, okay? It's a push turn. It allows you to transfer money. Maybe you're transferring it to, maybe you're sending money to Uganda or to your home country. You need this also push turn, okay? And then to invest, I think you guys already saw it. This one is the app to invest. It's called Invest, okay? Also, it's from also Sparkasse, as you see, okay? Now, you have these three apps now. Once you have these three apps, you will, okay, I did not explain to you guys how do you get this investment app. This investment app is now different from these other two. The investment app, you also have to fill in different information, like they will give you a formula where you fill in different kind of information at the bank and you sign and they give you this investment app Zugang. Now, also this one, if you are a beginner or if you're not really well gifted with online things like digital things, I would advise you to go to your bank berater, to your bank, and ask for help from the bank berater, and they will help you to fill in those formula until you get that Zugangsdaten, okay? Now, once you've gotten this investment app, you will be opening it to make investments. This is where you'll be making investments from. So you just sit at the comfort of your own home, you open the app, and this is how it will be looking, okay? So they will give you a password, and then yeah, you mailed and unmailed, okay? This is how it will look like when you open it. and natürlich I'm not going to open it, because once I open it, I'm just going to be getting into my portfolio, and then there is my private information. But I'm going to be taking you guys through which ETFs I am investing in and which ETFs has been paying me the most since I started investing. Okay, now before we go vital, I want to also mention that you can also use other apps or brokers to invest. For example, there is Trade Republic and there is also Scalable Capital. Okay, but I am showing you guys the one that I am using currently so that you can see how it's easy to start investing. Okay, now I'm going to open my portfolio. I already have now the password in, and I'm going to just take you guys through which ETFs I am investing in. I usually like investing in only ETFs. Those are a group of companies because the risk is very minimum. If you are investing in only one single company and it makes losses, then you will feel the loss really very hard. But if you are investing in a group of companies, those are the ETFs, then if one makes a loss, that means the other 49 companies will not make a loss. That means you will still make a profit. So the risk of making losses is minimum with ETFs. So I invest in MSCI World. That is a common ETFs for all beginners. Oh my God, I'm erkältet. I'm going to listen. Excuse me. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. So I invest in MSCI World, and then I invest in Deca S&P. Also Deca is the ETF. Deca is the investment bank in Sparkasse, okay? But this ETF is called S&P 500, S&P 500, okay? That's also a very good one. And then there is also this one called Global Champions ETF. And then there is Deca Industry, Fear Null. Okay, those are the 4 investments that I do have. I mean, those are the 4 ETFs that I am specializing in, that I am investing my money in. And all of them right now, they are running in positives. Like, I'm not having any negatives. They are all giving me good returns. Now, one of the ETFs that has been performing good and I've had the longest is this one. It's called Deca Global Champions. I'm going to make like a screen recording, so I will be sharing it either on this side or this side. So let's dive a bit deep into this one. I opened up this ETF when I was still new in the Pflege. I had just graduated and I did not really have much money to invest. I started investing with 25 euros, but with time, whenever I got a salary increase, I decided to be increasing the money that I'm investing. Okay, and that's what's good, because with the investments that you are opening up, you can begin at a lower level, and when you feel like this month I have more money, you can always buy more. Okay, you can put in more in that exact ETF. Okay, it gives you flexibility. Now, the Deca Global Champion. Right now, currently, I am investing 150 euros in it, okay? And eingezahlt, like the total amount of money that I have paid in is 2,949 euros, and it has given me a return of 24.88%, okay? And in euros, that is 734 euros. Now, altogether, the total amount of money that I have in this single ETF is 3,684 euros. Now, there is a question that someone asked me on one of the videos that I made previously about investing, and someone was telling me, how about removing the money? Like, once you finished, okay, you have invested and now you want to get out the money, you know, you want to pull out the money and use it for anything that you want, you know. How does that work? Now, if you have finished investing and you want to close up the investment and verkaufen and sell it, you will only go at verkaufen. Okay, there is that word verkaufen, sell. Now the time is done. I will only take noch a few minutes to 1 minute to clear in this. Like, if you want to sell, you go on verkauf. So you sell it. when you verkaufen, you just sit at your home. You don't need to look for the customers. You just sit and wait, and then the bank will sell it. Yeah, will sell this ETF for you, and then you will get your money at your bank. Okay, you will get the money at your bank here in your account in 3 to 4 working days. Okay, it will come to your bank in 3 to 4 working days. Now, how about the taxes? Do you pay taxes for this money that you have gained through the investment? Yes, there is a small tax that you pay, but you will not really feel it. For example, if you have only 1,000 euros in that ETF that you have won or you've gained, you will not be taxed. Anything below 1,000, you will not be taxed. But if it's above 1,000, you will be taxed, but only on the return. So let's say you have been investing 2,000 euros there. You've invested actively 2,000 euros there, and your return is 1,000 euros. You will only be taxed on the return of 1,000 euros, but not on the initial money you invested in, because the initial money you invested in was already taxed. Okay, it was your salary maybe, or it was money that you've worked for already, and it was already taxed. Only the return will be taxed, in the tax that they take off is really minimum. It shouldn't be scaring you to start your investments. Now, concluding this video, I would say if you have any questions about investing in Germany, just comment them down below, and let's interact in the comment section. I do not really know much about investments, but I do share from my experience so that it can also motivate you to start your own investments, because through investing you will make your money work for you while you are sleeping. But if you are just saving your money, at the end of the day, I kid you not, you will just be using your savings to pay for extra vacations or go for shopping. You will be using that money, and investing is one thing that will enable you to get an early retirement. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Until next time, bye.